What's up?
What's my kitty gonna do today?
This is it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. What about you?
Well, I gotta go to work.
That sucks.
Yeah, it does. Well, anyway, your food is out in the kitchen, and I put all your toys out.
Okay. Bye.
My God, you look cozy. I wish I didn't have to go to work. Anyway, I'm gonna go and make sure that you stay away from the new fish.
Yeah.
Are you listening? Stay away from the new fish.
Okay, bye.
When I come home, all those fish better still be there.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Go. Okay, which one? That one? Ooh. Yeah. Come here. Come on. Swim to the top. Come to Papa. Yeah. Oh. I can't.
Oh, man. I just want one. One tasty tender fish. I can't. I just want one. Why? Previously, when I come home, I bet they wouldn't notice if I took just one. Did you have any fishies?
Of course not.
Oh, see?
Look.
There's no little fishies in your mouth or in your belly?
Of course not.
Oh, good. I knew I could trust my little Joopy. I'm gonna go and take a look and say hi. Okay?
Okay.
Oh my God, the fish! Okay, who ate the fish?
Yeah, it wasn't me.
I didn't think so. I didn't think my little Joopy would do that. I think I need to have a little word with someone. Kona! Get over here! You knew you weren't supposed to go after those fish.
Huh?
I told you about them. What's she talking about, Joop?
Nothing.
Well,
Don't stop.
I can always trust my Joopy to tell the truth.
That's right.
Previously, did you have any fishy?
Yeah, it wasn't me.
I can always trust my Joopy to tell the truth.
That's right.
There you are. What are you doing down here, huh? Oh, hi, Kona.
Hey.
You're looking so sad. You got this awful, remorseful look on your face. Why are you looking so guilty? Have you got something you need to tell me about? Tell him, Joop.
Okay.
Go on.
I ate him. It was me.
Uh-huh. And I
Blamed it on him.
I see. So have you got something to say to me?
Kona,
Mm-hmm.
sorry I blamed it on you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
I think he should have no treats for a week. Okay, you shut up.
Hmm?
No, Jupiter knows he did something wrong, and I trust he's not going to do it again. Okay?
Yeah, but did you look in your shoe this morning? It's not chocolate you put in there, you know.